Why does a Chinese doctor tell his patients to put onions on their feet? It's incredible, and you won't believe what happens. My mother put onions on her feet and it saved her life. If you suffer from back, knee, or leg pain, this will help you a lot. You have no idea what wonders a single onion can do for you. But before I give you this amazing tip on how onions can save you, let me teach you an incredible technique. Before you use an onion, I'll show you how to cut it the right way. Always place a small ball of damp paper towel next to you before cutting an onion. When the paper towel is wet, it absorbs some of the volatile compounds released by the onion, reducing the amount of these irritants in the air. This way, you won't cry when you cut the onion. Now peel and slice the onion. You'll only need half of it. I'm not using the whole onion. The other half can be stored in the fridge in a sealed container. With the part we're going to use, cut it into smaller pieces. The way you cut it won't affect the results, so do as you please. For this powerful tip, you can use any type of onion, even red ones. After chopping, take a glass container with a lid and place the onion inside. Now, pay attention to the next ingredient, as we'll be using 70% medical alcohol. Keep adding until the onions are completely covered. Now, let me tell you a little more about this powerful ingredient. It's simple, but incredibly effective. Onions are not just an essential ingredient in cooking. They are also a powerful ally for joint health. Extremely rich in antioxidants and natural anti-inflammatories, they reduce pain and inflammation, helping to relieve arthritis and muscle pain. If climbing stairs has become a challenge due to joint pain, don't worry. With onions, you can lead a more active and pain-free life without the limitations of joint discomfort. This is because onions contain quercetin and flavonoids, substances that reduce joint inflammation. In addition, onions are rich in sulfur, a mineral that is crucial for the formation of collagen, an essential protein for healthy joints and connective tissue. Simply seal the container and leave it in a cool place for 7 days. The longer it sits, the more potent it will become. After this period, observe how the liquid darkens. This means that it is packed with incredible health benefits. Now, how do you use it properly? Simply soak a cotton pad in the mixture and apply it to sore areas, such as the wrists, knees, ankles, spine, or any other part of the body with joint pain. This is why you should include onions in your routine so that you can fully enjoy these incredible benefits for the body and health. I recommend that you apply this mixture in the evening and cover the area with a cloth to enhance its effects. The next morning, you'll wake up thanking me. These muscle and joint pains can result from excessive physical exertion, injuries, or the natural wear and tear of aging. If you don't have time now, save this tip for later. That's all for today. I'm sending love to you all. Stay with God.